Did you know that 90% of dropshippers fail before they even make their first sale? I get it. I used to be in that 90%. I spent countless nights testing products, burning through ad budget, and wondering if this business was actually real. But here's the truth. It's not the tools or products or anything that you think is determining your success. It's actually your own mindset. If you're struggling to scale or even make your first 1K day dropshipping, you're probably making the same mistakes I made when I first started. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix them step by step and exactly my experience. I started dropshipping in 2019 while working a full-time 9-to-5 job as a chemical engineer in water treatment plants. It was a good paying job, but I wanted more. Not just more money, but more freedom. I wanted to work the hours that I wanted, enjoy life, travel, and basically work from anywhere. Every day, I'd come home after work, tired but determined to work and make my dropshipping business successful. At first, it was really tough. I tested like 20 products. I kept failing, but it felt like I was spinning my wheels with nothing to show for it. Then in December 2021, I hit my first breakthrough. It was a Christmas product, Smart Tree LED lights. It was a cool new trendy product that has gone viral, and I hopped on the trend just in time. In that month, I made my first $25,000 in sales. It was my first ever profitable product. Fast forward 2 years later, I quit my engineering job. Why? Because I was making way more money part-time with my e-commerce than I was earning full-time as an engineer. Now I work whenever I want, whenever I feel like it. But let me be clear, this is too good to be true. It took hours, work, testing, failures, great systems that maintain this lifestyle. I used to be like many of you, watching YouTube videos, absorbing any useful information I could find, and constantly doubting whether this business was even real. I made mistakes, plenty of them. Maybe you're making these mistakes right now. Number one, giving up on a product after spending $100 on ads. It's not this way. You have to analyze the numbers and look at the data. Thinking dropshipping is a scam and only course sellers make money. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. My real success came when I decided to invest in myself and joined a 3-month coaching program that cost me nearly $8,000. At that time, it was a scary investment, but it completely changed the game for me. I learned how to think like a successful entrepreneur, testing products strategically and scaling them efficiently. And I didn't just make my money back, I made it 100 times, over and over with the knowledge I gained. That's why I believe so strongly in the power of mindset and mentorship. Now let's talk about the mindset hacks that got me to consistently doing over $1,000 in sales. Number one, adopting a growth mindset. Every failure is a lesson. When I failed with my first 12 products, I didn't quit. I learned what wasn't working and I adjusted. Number two, focus on data, not emotions. I used to get attached to the products I liked, but success isn't what you like. It's about what the market wants. Trust the numbers. CTR, ROAS, and CPCs don't lie. They give you real insights. Number three, invest in profit-driving activities. I wasted so many hours tweaking logos and designs when I should have been testing products and optimizing ads. Spend your time on what actually drives sales. Here is how you can start shifting your mindset and scaling your store. Number one, write down 3 reasons why you want to succeed in dropshipping and keep them visible in front of you. Number two, commit to testing at least one product every single week, no matter what. Number three, set a revenue goal for yourself for a week. Whether it's $100, $1,000, just keep track of your progress. I hope you found any value out of this video. This is honestly based on true personal experience, and I hope you get inspired by this, or at least it gives you a thought in the right direction. And I'll see you in the next one.